Story of Flying.
Hi, my name is Asya. I am 10 years old. I go to Karakach Middle School. I love science. And I love reading books. I love robots, planes, and drones. My dream is to be a pilot.
Hi, my name is Mert. I am 10 years old. I go to Karakach Middle School. I like working in our garden. I love helping people. I like writing and taking notes. I like baking cookies. My dream is to be a nurse. This is our story.
One day at Karakach Middle School. There is a jobs day in the school. Asya meet with her friends Naz and Tuba.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning. How are you?
I am so excited for the jobs day. Let's go.
They go to class. After the lesson,
Naz, Tuba. Let's go to the garden.
Hey, wait for us. Hey, Asya, don't run in the corridor.
I am sorry.
in the garden, there is tailor booth and painter booth. There is cook and pilot booths. Police and nurse booths.
Hey, girls, let's go to the tailor booth.
Meanwhile, Asya sees pilot booth.
Actually, I want to go to the pilot booth. Over there.
Haha, how excited you are. See you later.
See you later.
Hey, don't touch it. You'll break it.
It's a F-16 model, right? The wings look so fast.
It is not a toy. It is a machine. It is hard to use.
I know about planes. I read books about them.
Just move.
What?
These boys like planes. Don't waste my time.
But I know more than them.
Whatever. Hi, boys. Do you like planes? Yes!
Oh! Hi, Asya. How are you?
Hi, Mert.
Are you okay? What happened to her? Why is she sad?
Mert sees the nurse booth.
Hi!
Hello? Are you interested in nursing?
Yes, I love helping people.
That's great!
Can you show me the bandage?
Of course!
Mert's friends come.
Hey, Mert! What are you doing? This is not cool.
Yes, this is a girl's job.
Give this to me.
Let's go to police booth.
There's a car!
Yes!
Welcome, boys. You like cars, huh?
Yes!
But I love helping people.
After a while, Asya sits on a bench. She is sad.
Can I sit with you?
Yes.
Are you all right?
No. Maybe he is right. I cannot be a pilot.
My friends laughed at me. Is helping people bad?
To be continued.